You buy magnesium from the pharmacy. You take it for weeks, sometimes for months, but the leg cramps are still there, your eyelid keeps twitching, your sleep is poor, the anxiety doesn't go away, and at some point you start thinking, maybe magnesium just doesn't work for me. But the problem is often not magnesium itself. The problem is where you're getting it from, because many people look for the solution in a bottle, while the real answer is often in simple everyday foods that are cheaper, more natural, and sometimes far more effective. Today, I'm going to show you 5 magnesium-rich foods, from good to the most powerful. And along the way, you'll also learn 5 warning signs that your body may already be lacking magnesium. Let's begin. 5. Spinach. Most people think spinach is all about iron, but it's also a good source of magnesium. The mistake many people make is eating it only raw and expecting maximum benefit. In raw form, some compounds can reduce mineral absorption, but when spinach is lightly cooked or steamed, it becomes easier for your body to absorb its nutrients. The simplest option? Heat it for 1 to 2 minutes with a little oil. Add it to eggs, a side dish, or a warm salad. A good start. But the next foods are even stronger. Number 4. Buckwheat simple, common buckwheat. So common that many people underestimate it. But when it comes to magnesium, it's one of the most accessible options. The usual mistake? Overcooking it and then draining the water. That's where some of the nutrients go. A better method is to soak or steam it gently instead of boiling aggressively. This helps preserve more of what your body actually needs. Buckwheat works especially well in the morning or during the day when you need steady energy. But if you already have cramps, poor sleep, or fatigue, we need to go further. Check yourself. 5 signs of magnesium deficiency. Before we continue, quickly check yourself. Here are 5 common signs. 1. Night leg cramps. You're about to fall asleep, and suddenly your calf tightens painfully. 2. Trouble sleeping. You feel tired, but your brain won't shut off. 3. Eyelid twitching, small, annoying, but very common. 4. Unexplained anxiety. Everything seems fine, but you feel tense inside. 5. Constant fatigue. Not just tired after a long day, but waking up already exhausted. If you have 3 out of 5, magnesium deficiency is very likely. If you have 4 or 5, your body has been signaling this for a long time. Now let's move to the top 3. Number 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are more than just a magnesium source. They support your nervous system, digestion, and overall balance. But there's one important detail. Whole seeds often pass through your system without being fully absorbed, so the best way to use them is to grind them fresh before eating. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or mix with warm water. Simple, affordable, powerful. Number 2. Natural cocoa. This surprises a lot of people, because most think of cocoa as something sweet or unhealthy, but pure, unsweetened cocoa powder is completely different. It's not a sugary drink, it's a natural product that can be rich in magnesium. And it has another benefit. Warm cocoa in the evening can help you relax. It supports your nervous system and may help improve sleep quality. Just make sure it's real cocoa without added sugar. 1. Pumpkin seeds. And now the most powerful one. Pumpkin seeds. They are one of the richest and most convenient natural sources of magnesium. But there are 3 important rules. First, choose raw, not heavily processed or overly roasted. Second, don't overeat. A small handful per day is enough. Third, chew them well. Don't just swallow quickly. That's how your body actually absorbs the nutrients. They can be a snack, a topping for meals, or part of your breakfast. Simple, affordable, effective. Who should be careful? Magnesium-rich foods are safe for most people. But if you have serious kidney issues, you should be more cautious. And if you already take magnesium supplements, don't suddenly add everything at once. Introduce foods gradually and observe how your body responds. Final message. So here are your 5 natural magnesium sources: spinach, buckwheat, flax seeds, natural cocoa, and pumpkin seeds. Sometimes the solution is not in an expensive supplement. Sometimes it's in simple food you can buy anywhere. If you experience cramps, poor sleep, anxiety, or constant fatigue, don't ignore it. Your body may not need more pills. It may just need better nutrition. Write the word magnesium in the comments if you watched until the end. And if you want to improve your circulation and support your blood flow naturally, check out the next video. Because sometimes one simple habit can change how you feel faster than you expect.